All right, good morning, everybody. Friday, the 14th. Let's take a look and see what we have. Looking at, let's take a look here. All right, RTY, we will continue to watch RTY, which is going to be our mini Russell. YM, which is going to be continue to be the mini Dow. Natural gas, NG, silver, SI, stocks, continue to watch Apple, Microsoft, GM, Home Depot, and on the currencies, Euro, US. Ran a scan last night on the stocks. It shows that we are going to possibly have a down day today in the stock market. We'll see how that goes. Right now, I don't have any initial setups yet. Possible buy coming up on gold. Gold's getting real close to a buy here. Let's take a look. $16.68 is going to be the buy on the gold. Put a little alert up here. 1668 is going to be the buy on that gold. Right now, it looks like the Dow's going to open up higher. But we are showing a down bias for the day. Let's see here. Don't see anything coming up on silver. Natural gas, nothing. Nothing on our stocks. Nothing on Euro US. So far pretty quiet this morning. Okay, we're getting triggered on a mini Dow, NRSK. We're getting a short down the mini Dow. Watching, we may also get a short on the mini Russell. Target on the mini Dow is going to bring me down to 303.13 is going to be my profit target, 303.13. And I wouldn't reverse unless it came up to a 304.63. All right, so far just short a mini Dow right now. Nothing yet on our mini Russell or 2Y. Nothing on gold. Waiting for gold to hit 68 for a buy. All right, so for overnight trades, gosh, we haven't had an overnight trade in a few days, but we did last night, and it is coming in short on the Aussie US. Coming in short on the Aussie US. And those trades we put them on the night before, and we just let them expire the following day. We just hold out until the end of the day. Right now we are short an Aussie US, coming in short overnight on that. And we are showing, we are predicting a down day today in the Dow, so we'll see if that plays out, but definitely looks like we're going to have a higher opening. Okay, getting a short now on the RTY. Which is going to be your mini Russell. Target on that mini Russell is going to bring us down to 1749. It's going to be my profit target, 1749. Reversal, 1764. All right, still short on the mini Russell, still short mini Dow. Waiting for gold to get triggered up here at 1668. That would trigger us a buying on the gold. Yeah, retail sales came out this morning at 8:30, and it was pretty much flat. So not much effect on the market right now. So we are expecting a higher opening on the Dow, and then we could possibly see a sell-off. All right, I'll tell you what, let's take a quick peek at the Dow chart. We talked about that gap, how markets fill up gaps, prices fill up these gaps. So yesterday filled up that gap that we had last week. So big move up, filled up that gap. We still have this gap sitting down here. And that goes all the way back to 2020. So I think we're going to eventually come back and fill up this gap down here. Anyway, we'll see. Looks like Microsoft may want to pull back here. Let's get an area pullback. I could see Microsoft pulling back down to 235.10. 235.10. All right, still short the mini Russell. Still short the mini Dow. Yeah, Glenn. You're like Einstein. All right, so what is Einstein? Einstein is one of the approaches that I use when I'm trading the indices. I use it for commodities, I'm using it for the stocks. You can use it for anything. But what it is, Einstein it's a mathematical formula in combination with several of what we call our behavioral patterns. And what Einstein does is it provides us with the price targets. So it gives us an entry, gives us a profit target, and it also provides us with a reversal. But the nice thing about Einstein is the accuracy of Einstein is anywhere between 72 to 80% before hitting reversal. So I have a pretty high probability I'm going to hit my target. And then what we're going to do on just the Euro US, we're going to be using some of the patterns we teach in our silver package. They're basically our core patterns. We have several core patterns that we use. Some of those are being used with Einstein. And those are just pattern based. So the way that works is when we get into a trade, we have a limited time. We won't carry it more than 5 minutes, and then we get out. Where with Einstein, we'll wait to either hit the target, our profit target, and or reversal. So a little bit different in the way they both trade these markets, but they're all based on patterns. Everything I do is based on patterns. These are unique patterns. These are not like candlestick patterns. Your traditional candlestick patterns are not, classic chart patterns like head and shoulders and cup and saucers and triangles and all that stuff. Which I do think patterns do have their place, and I think if you're a long-term trader, I think those patterns are okay. But when it comes to short-term, you have to use a different set of patterns. And we're very much short-term traders. My longest trade is going to be no longer than a day. But most of my trades don't last longer than 5 minutes. So very short-term oriented. All right, so we're still looking to hit a target on RTY, Mini Russell. Still short on the Mini Dow. Never got triggered on the gold. We'll see if gold pops up here and we'll get a buy on the gold. Okay, we're getting a double carat buy over here. See the two on the Euro US? Get those two little green carats. That's going to be a buy. And that would put us at the 97.77 as a buy. 97.77. 9777. All right, RTY is trying to get to its target down here. Never did get a buy on gold, but we could end up getting a nice HF1 short on gold if it comes down a little bit more. Waiting for Microsoft to pull back. Almost hit our pullback target. Maybe take another stab at it here. See if we can get down here. 235.10 is going to be that target on Microsoft. 235.10. Yep, that's right, they are. Yeah, we don't use indicators because after 40 years of trading, I've never seen anybody just outright trade with indicators and make money. You'll find that your successful traders are price action based. These patterns are based off of price action. Indicators are lagging by nature, so they don't really tell you much. All right, is RTY going to hit our target? It's trying. Nice. Starting to see the mini down start to move down. All right, so we have about another 6 minutes to go here before the opening bell. Looking for a higher opening on the down. Getting close. RTY mini Russell getting close to hitting target. Profit target hit. All right, we did hit profit target on RTY. And the only thing I have on right now is I'm short now a mini Dow. Profit target hit. And we did hit target on the mini Dow. So we're flat. Possible short coming up on gold. We're going to watch gold. And looks like Microsoft hit its pullback target. Looks like Apple also wants to pull back a little bit in here. And let's get a target on that pullback target. All right, Apple I could see pulling back down here to 143.10. Yeah, make it 140, make it 143.15. 143.15. All right, the 97.77 euro we had on did not, it was not profitable, so that was a loss on the euro. I don't have any. Question is, what is the probability of gaps getting filled? I don't have any strong numbers for you. The best way to do that is just pull up some charts, pull up some daily charts, and just go back and look. I know it's I know it's way up there, but the problem with gaps is you don't know, is it going to get filled in the next several days, or is it going to get filled a month later, or like the Dow, you have one that's been 2 years ago. So the best method is to trade around gaps right before we go into a gap or out of a gap. That's really the best way to come up with a method of trading gaps. I only look at gaps as kind of a target of where I think the market wants to go, but I certainly don't use that as a bias for my trades. You can trade around gaps. I used to do that a long time ago. I used to look for stocks that had gaps and then trade around gaps, but I don't use that in my trading anymore. I'm mainly all pattern based now. All right, gold's getting a nice little short in here, so we're getting an HF1 short in gold. So I'm going to take that gold short. All right, target on gold. I could see gold coming down to 1656. $16.56 would be my target on gold. I'll reverse and get out at 1668. And we have the Dow up 200. All right, once again, running our scan. We run our scan up against 12,000 different stocks. We look for our patterns. And of those, we have quite a few of them. And 80% of our setups are pointing down today to be a down day in the Dow. So we'll see. It's not a real strong probability, but it's between 60 to 65%. We've been finding that when we have a lot of our patterns showing down, then the overall market tends to also be down as well. But definitely better than a 50-50 odds. So anyway, 86% of them are short, have short setups. So possibly seeing a down day. That's why I was thinking that the Dow would open up higher, then possibly start working down by the end of the day. So we'll just see. All right. Short gold. Once again, target 1656. Looks like Apple did hit its pullback here. All right, still short gold. May go short on silver. Watching silver. Wanna be a short on silver on 1851. That would be a new short, 1851 on silver. That'd be an HF1 short. And we'll keep an eye on that. 1851 would be the short on the silver. That set us up for an HF1 short. HF1, 2, and 3 are all patterns that we watch. Dow's up 350. Getting close to going short on the silver. All right, silver's getting close to getting triggered. A short on RTY, getting a short again on YM, mini Dow. All right, pullback on RTY. Target's going to be down to 1744. Silver has a short. Silver just went short. Let's see here. Well, mini Dow went short. It's moving fast. It's already getting close to its target of 303. Well, never mind. It hit target. Couldn't give it to you fast enough. RTY still trying to hit target 1744.
Profit target hit.
All right, so we just hit target on RTY, which is your mini Russell. Short gold, short silver. Let's get a target on silver here. All right, target on silver. That's going to bring me down to 1831.
Profit target hit.
1831. All right, gold hit its profit target, so we'll get out of that short gold. So still have that short working on silver. $18.31's a short. Reversal's going to be $18.91. Dow's up 127. Selling off pretty good on these indices right now. RTY continues to go down, so does the mini Dow. We're out of our short gold, short silver, trying to see if we can hit target on silver. Nothing on natural gas. Nothing on the currencies, stocks, nothing. All right, silver working its way down the target. All right. On the indices, the mini NASDAQ is negative now. Mini NASDAQ's negative. 1831 is the target on that silver. Watching the mini Dow. Mini Dow's triggering another. It's HF1 short. Mini Dow's triggering an HF1 short. Target's going to be 301.63. Yeah, it's getting a short right here. I would get out at 303.13 on this short. Stop 303.13. Still short silver. It's a good entry point right now on this mini Dow right here. Lower risk, bigger target. 303.13 would be the point to get out. And we may just hit it.
Reverse sell.
All right, yeah, so I'd get out of that. Get out of the YM. Mini Dow. I would not reverse. Would not reverse on the Mini Dow. Stay short silver. All right, just short silver. See if we can hit our target down here of 1831. We're getting closer to the top of the hour. 2 more minutes to go. Once again, if you join us on YouTube and Facebook, thank you. And we do this every morning for the first hour. And the purpose is to demonstrate our approach to trading, which is we don't use indicators. It's different. We use what we call behavioral patterns, something that I discovered over 35 years ago. And they continue to do very well, and they have done very well over the last 35 years. And if you'd like to learn more, you can plenty of good videos out there on innovative trading strategies on YouTube, innovative trading strategies, and/or you can always go to my website. Also, check out our dailies. These are trades that we put on the night before. And let's just follow them through the following day. We get out at the end of the day. Those are trades that we do provide. It is based on our patterns, but we do provide them to all our subscribers. We put those out every night as an added bonus, and I do trade them, and I really like those overnight trades. It's just a nice addition to these short-term trades. So check those out on innovativetradingstrategies.com. And right now, the only thing we have is we're short silver. Seeing if silver will come down to 1831. So it's been a really good day. We had one reversal. That was on YM. And everything else has been hitting its target. Took a small loss on the Euro US. But had some really nice wins on gold. And earlier had a really nice win on the Mini Dow and the Russell. And now we're short silver, and it's working its way down to our target, which is going to be 1831. And that's going to wrap it up for this week. Once again, we'll be back on Monday, same time. I wish everybody a safe weekend. Enjoy it. Take some time off to relax a little bit. We'll be back first thing Monday morning to do some more trading. Any questions, just go to my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Shoot me your questions. I do personally answer all of them. Besides that, everybody have a good day, and we'll see you hopefully first thing Monday morning.